We're gonna do the IKEA times pikmin event. So we're gonna look for 3 pikmins, take photos, and then we get something in return. Let's go! We found pikmin number 1. We're looking now at the closet area. Where are they? We went to the bookshelf place, not the igui place, which is the closet. So we're gonna keep walking. Break time.
我们来到床区 ，Where is it？
We found another one! Taking a break and eating the IKEA Taiwan food. Yeah! This is the food. Plant-based meatballs, which we usually have. The truffle and mushroom pie. The veggie medallions. French fries. 玉米浓汤. And then this...
小龙虾墨鱼面。
We're gonna find our last pikmin here. Yes! Yay! We did it!
哎，这只蛮可爱的。